Did you ever wish you could just describe an app idea and have an AI build it for you? Like, with no coding needed on your part?
Yeah, that would be insane.
Wait, is that actually possible now? This AI called Devin might just make that a reality. So there's this startup, Cognition, backed by some huge names like Peter Thiel's Founders Fund. They announced Devin, the first fully autonomous AI software engineer. It's like having a robot employee that you just give instructions to in plain English, and it handles an entire dev project soup to nuts. Building the app, fixing bugs, the whole 9 yards. So get this. A journalist tries Devin out by asking it to run a computer vision model for an Upwork gig. No code prompt, just describes the task conversationally. And Devin is like, say no more fam. Dives into writing all the code, debugging, the full Monty. And bam, task done. It even taught itself how to run code that hides secret messages and images, just by reading a blog post on it. But here's where it gets wild. In this coding benchmark test, Devin solved 13.9% of real open-source issues end-to-end autonomously, literally taking coding projects from start to finished product without any human help. Meanwhile, even AI assistants like Claude and GPT-4 only managed like 2/10 of 5% of issues, and they still needed to be spoon-fed which files to fix.
Damn, that's nuts. Wait, so could I really just describe my dream app to this thing?
Exactly. With Devin, you could legitimately take that app idea you've been dreaming of, walk it through the concept conversationally, and have this AI bring it to life as a fully built and deployed product. It's like having your own personal coding robot that transforms your visions into real apps and services, by text to app, if you will. All while you grab a beverage and chill. And by chill, I mean start planning how to properly execute and market this app once Devin works its magic. The AI handles the tech, you handle the biz.
Okay, I need to get access to the thing ASAP.
Dude, no way. Let's go pitch Devin our ideas right now. Now, as mind-blowing as that is, you might be wondering, what kind of apps would be perfect for getting built this way? Well, in my next story, like if you want to hear it.